Hello everyone, welcome to General Aptitude. So, as you already know, this General Aptitude actually plays a very important role in CSR net and grid, right? So, don't neglect this part. So, we are going to solve some important questions and previous year questions in this video, right? So, first question, A can do a work in 6 days, B can do the same work in 3 days, right? How many days will they take to do the same work together? So first of all, whenever they are asking the work together, so whenever we have this term, so we have one simple formula that A into B over A plus B, right? To know, so the same work together, so how many days they will take, right? How many days they will take to do the same work together. So we have to use this simple formula whenever we have this kind of questions. So simple. So A in 6 days, so first one is 6, next into 3 over 6 plus 3, right? So total 18 by 9, 2 days, right? So they both together, they take 2 days to do the work. Next question. Next important question. Abhay can do a work in 9 days. Abhay and Beam together can do the same work in 3 days. How many days will Beam take to do the same work alone? Again, we can use this formula. So Abhay can do a work in 9 days, right? So A means Abhay can do a work in 9 days, and Beam we don't know, right? So Abhay and Beam together can do the same work in 3 days. That means that together work given, that is A into B over A plus B. So this together work is 3 days. Okay, so we have to find out the B alone. How many days will Beam take to do the same work alone? So what you have to do? Simple. Put the value here. 9 is nothing but A. So 9 into B, I don't know, over 9 plus B, 9 plus B equal to 3. So then I can write 9B equal to 3 into 9 plus B, that is 27 plus 3B, right? So this 3 into 9 plus B is nothing but 27 plus 3B. Then 6B equal to 9B minus 3B, 6B equal to 27. Then B equal to 27 by 6, that is 4.5 days. So the answer is 4.5 days. Okay. Next important thing, this is the question from CSIR net, I think December 2019. Just wait. Yes, June 2016 question. CSIR net June 2016 question. Okay. It takes 2 hours for Tiwari and Dio to do a job. Tiwari and Hari take 3 hours to do the same job. Dio and Hari take 6 hours to do the same job. Which of the following statement is incorrect? They are asking incorrect, right? So Tiwari alone can do the job in 3 hours. Dio alone can do the job in 6 hours. Hari does not work at all. Hari is the fastest worker. See, first of all, if you see the question, Tiwari and Dio, you have to calculate first of all in 2 hours, right? It takes 2 hours for Tiwari and Dio to do a job. So for 2 hours, for 2 hours, they do 1 joule work. Okay, मान लो in 2 hours they both together can do a 1 joule work. Then Tiwari plus Dio 1 hour work in 2 hours they do 1 joule. So in 1 hour 1 by 2, right? In 1 hour 1 by 2. So T plus D, that is Tiwari and Dio, 1 hour work equal to, I can write 1 by 2, right? In the same way, Tiwari plus Hari in 3 hours 1 joule work. right? Tiwari and Hari take 3 hours to do the same job. That means in 3 hours they do 1 joule work. That means in 1 hour they can do 1 by 3, 1 by 3, right? So next, Dio and Hari take 6 hours to do the same job. That means in 6 hours 1 joule. Okay, in 1 hour, in 1 hour 1 by 6, right? So this is the data. Now if you observe, this is the first equation for suppose, this is second one, this is third one, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. Now what you have to do, just subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. So whenever you subtract this, t plus d minus of t plus h, right? So if you do this, then you will have t get cancelled, d minus h, you will get this d minus h value. That d minus h value is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. That means you can write 3 minus 2 over 6, right? That is 1 by 6, d minus h is 1 by 6 value, right? So this is equation 4. Okay, now what you have to do, now do one thing, subtract this 3 minus 4, subtract 3 minus 4. So if you subtract 3 minus 4, d plus h, this is 3, minus of d minus h, right? So d get cancelled, h plus h, 2h, that is 2h, equal to here 1 by 6 minus equation 4, 1 by 6, that is 0. That means 2h equal to 0. That means h equal to 0. h equal to 0 means Hari. h equal to 0 means Hari. That means Hari is the fastest worker. Hari does not work at all. Hari is the fastest worker. We have two options, right? So whenever this is 0, that means Hari is not doing any work. That means this is the correct option. They are asking incorrect. So Hari is the fastest worker is the wrong option. So this is the answer. Okay. Next important thing, just wait. Okay, so A can do a piece of work in 24 days and B can do the same job in 20 days with the help of C. That means all together they did the job in 8 days. That means A plus B plus C did the job in 8 days only. C alone can do the work in how many days? This is the question. Okay, first of all, here you have to remember one formula. If A can do a piece of work in n days, A can do a piece of work in n days, then A's 1 day's work is 1 by n. Okay, you have to remember this rule. Okay, so now A plus B plus C, that means with the help of C, they did the job in 8 days. That means A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C can do a piece of work in 8 days. So A can do a piece of work in 8 days. So A's 1 day's work is 1 by n. In the same way, A plus B plus C can do a piece of work in 8 days. That means A plus B plus C 1 day's work. A plus B plus C 1 day's work. 1 day work is 1 by 8. Is 1 by 8. Next, A's 1 day work. A can do a piece of work in 24 days. That means A 1 day work. A 1 day work, that is 1 by 24, right? Okay, so next, B can do a piece of work in 20 days. That means B 1 day work, that is 1 by 20. Can I write like this? Okay, now I have to find out C's 1 day work. C alone can do the work in how many days? I have to find out C 1 day work. So I have A plus B plus C 1 day work, A 1 day work and B 1 day work. If I subtract this from A plus B plus C 1 day work, if I subtract these two, then I can get C 1 day work. Yes or no? So A plus B plus C 1 day work is 1 by 8 minus of, here A's 1 day work 1 by 24, B's 1 day work 1 by 20. Yes, so if I do this, then 1 by 8 minus, if I calculate this, if I derive this, then I will get 11 by 120, right? So C's 1 day's work I can get, if I calculate this, then I will get 1 by 30, right? If C's 1 day's work 1 by 30, in how many days this C can do a piece of work? That is 30 days, right? C alone can do the work. That means in 30 days, C alone can do the work. This is 1 day work. Okay, just reverse of this rule. Okay, he can do this work in 1 day, that is 1 by n. So he can do a piece of work in n days, that means 30 days, right? Next important thing, A can do a work in 15 days, B in 20 days. If they work together for 4 days, then what is the fraction of work that is left, right? Okay, again same thing, A can do a piece of work in 15 days. That means A's 1 day's work, that is 1 by 15, right? B can do a piece of work in 20 days, that is B's 1 day's work is 1 by 20. Clear? Okay. Now, together, A and B together can do a work. Then, if A and B together can do a work, then in one day, what is the work by A and B together? That is, I can write 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Okay, this is the together work. Then, if I solve this, 20 plus 15 over 20 into 15. Okay, this is together work in 1 day, right? So if I solve this, then I will get 35 over 300, approximately 7 by 60. Then, if you see, they work together for 4 days. This is 1 day. In 1 day, together they do this work. In 4 days, how much work? 4 into 7 by 60. 4 into 7 by 60. Yes, then I will get, this is the 15, 4 ja, so I will get 7 by 15. In 4 days, 7 by 15. Then the question is the fraction of the work that is remaining. Okay, if I take total work is 1, then remaining work 1 minus 7 by 15. Okay, if I take total work as 1, then if I subtract this work, then I will get the remaining work 1 minus 7 by 15, that is 15 minus 7 over 15, that is 8 by 15. Okay, so this is the answer. So these are the questions. I hope you people understood this. Still, if you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching.